Now what I'm doing today is I'm going to paint two different things at the same time. I have the bumper based out with 3 coats of its color, and this is the stand I've made. It's just a scissor stand with a 3/4 inch conduit pipe on it just to help hold the bumper and tape it. It's just a quick way to get a cheap bumper stand fast. And what I'm going to do over here is I have a 3-stage hood. First I'm going to cut it in, let it dry for a second, flip it, and then I'm going to paint the other side. That way everything goes really smooth and I'm able to get 2 jobs done at the same time. All right, now as I was showing, I'm doing 2 things at the same time. I got the darker color bumper up in the front of the booth, and I'm doing a 3-stage white hood. I've already done a spray out on this color. I already know there's 2 coats on the mid coat, so it's good to go. But I want to show how you can do 2 different colors. I usually do the darkest colors first and put them where the most air comes in at in the booth. That way nothing gets on it, and I don't have to worry about any overspray. And I'm spraying it about 30 pounds on the base coat, so it lays down nice and flat. I'll show you another coat. I want to give a shout out to Mark Taylor in Steel City Caprice. I want to thank you for your responses. It's really nice of you. I appreciate it. Now I've let it set for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to put the second coat on it. Make sure your coat's dry good. It's pretty warm today, so it's drying nice. I've got 3 coats of white on it now. Now I'm going to go with 3 coats of the mid coat. Okay, now that I have them all based out, this has got the 2 coats of metallic on it, metallic bumper. Now I switched them back around because this is higher. It was less chances of kicking something up. So by higher to lower works the best. Now I'm using my SATA, my 1.4, and I'm going to spray it 45 pounds. Let's do it. All right, that was the first coat. So now we're going to go with the second coat, and it should lay down really nice at this point. Okay, you can see how I sprayed it. So hopefully I'm giving you some good pointers how to get good clean paint jobs and be able to lay them out nice. So all I'm trying to do is help people so they can also paint faster so you're not in the booth so long. That's why I use my solder, and it has a 1.4 fluid needle in it. So you want things to lay down really nice. You get a good shine out of everything. There we go.